Welcome to the channel, guys. We have a Dell board for repair today, and this is the board. It's i5 8th generation and the problem is not turning on. The model number is Mockingbird -L CML UMA 6L. We have already did some R&D on this, so we'll call it a case study. Okay, the problem is it is not turning on, so we tried to probe. First thing what we found is there is no 19 volts present on the DC jack itself, on the connector of the DC jack on the board. Okay, then further we diagnosed and we found that there is no 19 volts present on the CLR. So we have removed one of the diode from the board, and we injected 19 volts from the location of the diode, and we found that 19 volt is passing but gate voltage is not present. So after that, what we did and how we are doing it on this video, you are going to find out. So stay tuned till the end. So guys, here we injected 19 volts and we found that the voltage was not passing. So guys, first thing what we did was the voltage was not going from this, so we injected voltage here by removing this diode. Then we found that voltages are going but not reaching till the 3.35 volt section. Then we diagnosed it. Like, let me show you. So here we don't find any shorting. There is no shorting here, neither on the MOSFET. Here also, if we check, measure all the coils, the impedance is low, but still you can try. So here we are getting value in this coil also. This coil also shows 0. This is giving value, and this coil also is very low. This is the 3.35 volt coil. Okay, so let me see like this. So what we did is we removed the 3.3 coil, which is here, and we injected voltage here up to 2.5 volt. But then we found that there is no short. Something happened after injecting, and you can see suddenly the value start coming. Both the side, this side we are getting value. Hope you can see. And if I change the position, this side I am not getting any value. Okay, then we removed the IC as well, because these two caps were beeping. So we removed the IC also here. Then we found that this coil was beeping earlier, so here we injected the 1.5 volt. Here we injected 1.5 volt. Okay, then we found one capacitor is heating up here. Let me zoom. So this place capacitor was beeping. This place capacitor was heating up when we inject the voltage. Okay, so we removed it. After that, when we checked, we found still this place. After that, still this place is beeping. Like if I check it out, like if I check here, you can see the beep is coming. Okay, so again I have injected some voltage and found that here there is a tiny cap which is heating up. It's very tiny. I'll show you in the microscope. I guess this is the problem. If we remove this, our shorting will get clear. So let me jump to the microscope and show you. So guys, here you can see the tiny cap. When we check in so in the microscope you can see there is a issue with the cap. Here if I zoom more, you can see one side it is burnt. Here something happened to this capacitor. That means this is the culprit. So let's remove it and check it out if we are getting the short cleared or not. And now you can see guys, the beep has gone. This side is the ground, I think, and this side we are getting the value. It is 470 ohms. Okay, so that shows we should not undermine even a small cap. Anything can cause this problem. Now let's check it out on the other side of the coil, whether we are getting beep or not. That is here. Yes guys, we are getting the value. The beep is not coming now. Let me show you on the other screen. So here you can see guys, earlier we were getting beep here. Now the beep is not coming. We are getting value, as well as here we are getting value. Now let's put it back everything and check whether our problem is solved or not. So guys, we have placed everything connected, and now let's turn it on. It's a Dell, so automatically it should get on. Yeah, it's on. You can see. Yeah. Okay, now let's wait for the display to come. It takes 2 times more to turn on, because in the beginning Dell will take 3 times to turn on. So this is the first time it is going on. Yeah, 1 time over, second time, and the second time it came, as you can see. So guys, this is how we fix laptops at our store. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video interesting, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.